Welcome back. The biggest concern over the next couple of days is the weight of ice on trees. Ice can increase the weight of branches by 15 times and cause power outages. Encore crews are ready to work 16-hour shifts if they have to. Here's Kevin Reese.
Okay, let's talk about trees. And on the surface, the conversation would seem pretty simple. Branches, heavy ice, gravity, you know the rest. But our experts say there's a bit more to be concerned about than just that.
I'm a board certified master arborist. I was the first woman in Texas.
And this Texas tree surgeon says much of the firewood on the recycling side of her business comes from last February's dead trees. And she says that many of the trees that did survive may be hanging by a thread, so to speak.
The trees that were already damaged are going to be much worse off than they were a week ago because of this storm. It's a kicking it while it's down situation. Yes.
She says beware of branches and trunks already split and damaged. Encore's chief meteorologist has her own warnings, too, about the power lines those falling branches might bring down with them.
Even just a quarter inch of ice or even a tenth of an inch of ice on a tree can add hundreds of extra pounds and make those limbs sag and break. When you see ice like this is why we're so concerned at Encore. This is something we watch very closely because we know that it can have impacts.
Now, if we have weight and wind, if that happens, then we start worrying about complete failures from the root down.
So, yes, all common sense advice, but unfortunately, the experts say a likely part of our next 48 hours, too. In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reese.